Good morning and welcome back to the Experts.com files. I'm Nick Rishwain. Today we're talking about the Margarine factory construction case. And this is a commercial dispute between the plaintiffs, who were a welding and fabrication company, and the defendant, who was the Margarine company. So the attorney for the plaintiff needed a factory construction expert or a construction expert who could review the specifications, the work completed, and the change orders that the plaintiff received. See, the defendant closed their Margarine factory in Kansas to reopen one with the exact same specifications, an exact replica of it in California. However, some of the specs were not accurate, and the welding and fabrication company, or the plaintiff, had to make some adjustments for this exact replica. So in construction, you have to file a change order, and the contractor, or in this case welding, had to file a change order, and the defendant, the Margarine company, had to approve of these change orders. At one point, the welding company was working 24 hours to finish these changes on time. In the end, the plaintiff claimed that they were owed $650,000, and the defendant was arguing, no, it's only $90,000. That's the case.